Hi folks, and welcome to Craig's Keto Kitchen. Today I'm showing you how to make my favorite bulletproof coffee. As always, the recipe and the macros are going to be in the video description below. For this bulletproof coffee, I'm using 4 ingredients plus the coffee itself. I'm using coconut oil, cocoa powder, I'm using ghee, but you can also use butter, and heavy cream. I like to use about 1 tablespoon of each ingredient per 16 ounces of coffee. You're not going to be able to mix this by hand. The oils are not going to combine with the coffee, so we're going to mix it all together in a blender. Take your 4 ingredients, and your coffee, and you're just going to blend it up. It only takes a few seconds. And voila, it's finished. And look at how that pours. Nice and smooth. Now if you like a little bit of sweetness in your coffee, you can always add some stevia. I like it just like this. I think the coconut oil and the other ingredients give it plenty of sweetness. Good, just like I like it. Anyways, if you like my videos, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.